iPhones with an operating system of iOS 9.1 or higher can connect with and be controlled through the MMI display wirelessly using Apple CarPlay. No app is required. It is part of the iOS. To use CarPlay wirelessly, unlock the phone and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The wireless connection between the MMI and CarPlay will be via the Wi-Fi channel. With the car in park and the ignition on, open the Bluetooth menu. Now select Phone in the upper display. Then connect mobile device. A list of available devices will appear. Select the desired device. A PIN will be sent to the iPhone. If it matches the PIN in the MMI, select Pair. The iPhone requests to sync contacts and favorites to the MMI. Select Allow. Then select Use CarPlay. The MMI will respond with a confirmation request to use Apple CarPlay. Select Apple CarPlay. A data transfer alert and agreement will appear. Select Yes, Agree. Now choose between Apple CarPlay or the MMI phone system. Select Apple CarPlay. The CarPlay interface will appear in the MMI. It is advisable to enable show notifications and sync contacts in the Bluetooth menu by selecting the eye icon next to the Audi MMI listing. Press the CarPlay Home button to return to the CarPlay home screen. CarPlay may also be set up by initiating the connection through the MMI. Press the voice recognition button on the steering wheel or select the Phone Apps button on the MMI home screen until the Audi smartphone interface appears in the MMI. Select To Connected Devices. Then, New Connection, unless the phone was previously connected, in which case, select it from the list. Then, follow the normal pairing procedure. When accessing music via CarPlay, only music services provided by the iPhone can be played. When CarPlay is active, some MMI functions may be accessible only through CarPlay, such as phone and messages. To switch to MMI controls, touch the Audi MMI button in the CarPlay display. Select the Apple CarPlay icon to return to the CarPlay interface.